Moving with the characteristics of women entrepreneurs, I like to throw some more light on the characteristics related to female entrepreneurs in society. Now, the important aspect which can be stated here regarding motivated and self-directed, it simply means that women entrepreneurs need to have a very solid or very strong, a trait of knowing that what weaknesses and what strengths they have in themselves, and then accordingly they should use their strength points in harnessing the good environment and different activities in the business. They need to be self-motivated in a manner that if they are self-motivated, they will work as good leaders and they will be in a position to motivate the team members in the organization. And the employees in the organization will definitely look up to such female entrepreneurs who really have a very charismatic, transformational, and transactional leadership styles. Innovative traits in female entrepreneurs relates to novelty and something which is totally out of the box, which is initiated by themselves, and also they welcome the initiation and innovative approach of the people they're working with. It's very important to have a good interpersonal skills with an objective to have listening skills and saying what is correct, being transparent, and then actually try to have a very good rapport with people these entrepreneur females are working. Decision making capability simply means that when they take decisions with high risk threshold, which is totally, you know, depends upon their own common sense, and they are able to observe the environment in which they work. And besides communication skills, it is very important that they need to use a simple language, reachable language, and language they should understand of the people they're working with. They shouldn't be too, snobbish kind of personalities. They need to work with emotional intelligence, where they need to understand and assess the emotions of self and others. And here, these are the qualities that really matters a lot. So, keeping these factors in mind, going back to the definition that entrepreneur is an activity which talks about developmental aspects, which directly relates to capital and labor of production, which has been well stated that if in case female entrepreneurs need to have a good stand in the society in India, they need to be well skillful and they should work with the mindset of positivity and optimism.